So I wanted to show this because I haven't opened it yet, and I thought it was pretty dope. Of course, the camera's pretty zoomed in. Anyway, what is it? A cute box, that's for sure. Kalashnikov donut. What it is, I guess we'll find out together. I like all the colors. Like they actually put, care into all the screws and stuff. That's pretty nice. Anyway, let's see what happens. Ooh, I see what they're talking about. You like the snap. That was nice. Damn. Alright, that's a bigger fork than I thought it was going to be, too. The pictures made it look small, honestly. Like, I'm actually pretty damn impressed by this. Like, this is my everyday carry next to it, first off. Pretty damn big knife. That's nice. Ooh, it's got a nice spring, too. I can feel it. Bam! That's so awesome. I might have to get the actual knife. I saw you can get laser etched for like $7 or something crazy like that. I was like, wait, what? You couldn't get it on this one, sadly. But I needed a fork for work. I know this sounds stupid, but how nice is that? I could always find my fork at work now. And it's pretty sick. Got a can opener too if I need it. And it's kind of fat enough where you can use it as like a spoon. And honestly, all I ever really needed is a fork because I can find spoons. But now I got a knife and a fork. And the whole other point of this one was, since we like automatics, ka-chow. Yeah, let that one speak for itself. But this fork is pretty dope. I like it.